That's crazy. Hell yeah.
I know you got some good insurance.
You say I got some good insurance. Man, yeah, I wouldn't mind taking this around the block, bro. Oh man, this is crazy. This is my dream car, bro. You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, subscribe to the channel. JATV. This bad boy hard, Torry. I don't know if that's coming up. There we go. Blue calipers. What'd you just say? What? Stop it. You would not let me drive this. For real? Oh my God. Wow. That's crazy. Hell yeah.
I know you got some good insurance.
You say I got some good insurance. Man, yeah, I wouldn't mind taking this around the block, bro. Oh man, this is crazy. This is my dream car, bro. Yeah, man. Listen, guys, I've told y'all a few times already that the dream car, Rolls Royce Wraith. Gotta have it, gotta do it. Sheesh. Torry, this bad boy hard, bro. Man. What?
Window down and like when we get up there, let the window down and just, you know what I'm saying, wear this in front of the sensor up there. Yeah, just be careful with the rims.
Yeah. Let's see. It's long in the front. I got you. Oh, I got a Class A license. I'm for real, I'm dead serious.
Oh, you got
I got a CDL license, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yo, I'm really driving a Rolls Royce right now. I'm really driving a Rolls Royce right now. Where else should go? Right or left?
Go left.
Oh man, it handles so well. Is it fast at all?
It's like light but heavy at the
Yeah.
same time. So we can go to the left, like change this, go up Peachtree a little bit.
Gotta make a boomerang. Double R. Sheesh. Yeah, man, my dream car is the Wraith. I need that Wraith. Once I get the Wraith, I don't want nothing else.
Yeah, my brother got a Wraith. I can't make as much money with the Wraith, so
Old lady crossing the street. Which one is this? This is the Ghost?
this is a Ghost.
Oh.
It's the same, it's the four-door version of the same car.
Twin panel roof. You don't miss the stars?
You know, I bought it used, so it was either you got a sunroof or you got stars. And this one had a sunroof, so it is what it is. preferred the stars, but
Which one is it? Is it the color that has the shooting stars of it? I never.
no, that's any of them. You just
You
get
gotta
a
get
new
the
one. You gotta get a new
top
one.
turret.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
okay.
gotta get a new one. Yeah.
They just real quick.
Yeah, they just started doing that in 2020.
My bad.
They just started doing that in 2020, I think.
This bad boy so hard, bro. Did you get a lot of looks and stares in this one too?
Shit, yeah. So, you know, like the vet, you go out in the vet, you know, everybody looks and stares. You know, you go to the gas station, you know, people want to talk. But, like, when you're in this, everybody wants to know your life story. What do you do? Like,
Right.
That's what they ask you. It's completely different. Like, people are so interested in you all of a sudden.
Right.
But, you know, I understand, you know, like a Corvette, you know, maybe, you know, 100,000 or less mostly, and you know it's kind of attainable to most people. But when you're talking about, you know, $350,000, $400,000 car, it's a different level of unobtainable. You know what I mean?
Right.
So people definitely pay a lot more attention. Like, what are you doing? You know, like,
Exactly.
what's your life story? Where are you from? And
They got the heads up display on this as well, folks. I don't know if it's coming up on camera. Heads up display. Sheesh. And what year is this?
This is a 16.
16. It rides so well.
Even with the 20, even with the 24s on it. So if you get a little opening, give it some juice.
It picks up. V10.
Very well. No, it's a V12, a twin turbo V12. It's somewhere in the 6s. I can't remember exactly what the power ratings on it, the torque. But it's a very heavy car. Hold on a second.
Are you kidding?
I'll call her back. She gonna call me right back.
Scott just held up track for no reason. Guys, listen. That Wraith is coming. I'm speaking into existence. I'm manifesting it. All 2021, I've been manifesting it. It's coming. I'm telling you it's coming. It's coming.
And that's the same driving experience as this. They're the same.
Gotta get it.
It's just the back seat much smaller. But the dashboard is identical. Like, everything is identical.
Yeah. I can definitely feel that bad boy can move when it needs to.
Yep, it just doesn't stop well. It doesn't corner well. Because it's just so heavy. You know?
So heavy, yeah. It's a big car. I wouldn't expect this to corner well at all.
No.
At the Take It to the Track event, I forget the lady's name, but she got a hot pink wrap.
Wraith, yeah.
Yeah.
She took down the track.
But she took it on the track. She took it on the track. It wasn't.
Let you hear number tires squealing.
It wasn't taking them that curve well, but when she got in that up, she was striking.
Yeah, the straightaway, they move, they get down on the straightaway.
Yeah, she was striking it on the straightaway for sure.
But you ain't hear number tires on them corners.
Or I gotta turn around on that. That's a good question here. I just gotta
We'll find something.
turn around it.
You just make a left on Spring Street. And just keep stay on damn